What? Look at the camera. Hi. That's good. Oh, no, no, no! Hey!
Are you mad? Are you mad? Patient. Oh my gosh.
Where is he, Mama? Where is he? Huh?
Joey?
Oh, are you okay, Loop? That was karma. That was karma. Right.
Right, I'm just trying to sand this.
Louie, he's gonna hurt you. Louie.
Louie, get over here.
Monster, quieto. Mira nomás.
Asco, perro.
Zeus, hi. What are these creatures, huh?
Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, Cass. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Good boy. Look at that boy. Good dog.
You liking the snow out there, buddy? Ooh, shake it off. Good boy.
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy no. No, you guys.
Blizzard conditions, blizzard watch section continued for several hours today as well. So people here in Ocean City have been asked to
Who chewed this up? Who chewed this up? What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
Are you guilty?
Okay.
Did you chew it up?
Did you chew this up?
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh,
Did you snack on this? Did you snack on this? Loki? Who is eating these? That's not a toy. Was it you? Oh, are you pointing to Zeke?
Yeti.
一定要是理想型吗？我不行吗？
Thank you. Here you go. Can I have $1? Here, you want this? Give me $1. Thank you.
Sen bana taşak mı geçiyorsun?
Oh dear. Out.
呀，大红不是好，揍大红吧？干嘛？我揍大红吧？不让揍啊？揍大红吧。Nova. Oh, hey there. What you doing?
Walter, please watch your tail, man. Walter, Jesus Christ, bud. Yeah, dude, on fire.
Baby. Puppies. Puppies. Puppies.
Oh, here. That's all you wanted? Okay, put your underwear.
Here you go.
All right, you good to go.
Had to get her a tablet. This is the only way she'll stay up out your phone, because if your phone on, she come push your whole phone out your hand.
Went into the church for 2 seconds to have a little chit-chat. Come to my egg bites sitting on my seat with a big old bite scrape taken out of it.
That's a bad boy.
Hey, gracious. Oh, never.
Good job, Arnold. Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Get that! Stop! Stop!
Hey Gunther, did you do this over here? Did you do this? This empty little peanut butter thing right here? Did you do that?
Well, they're obviously not hurting you. You put yourself in here. Brush it back.
So, this is what you call a stupid terrier. This is Digger. Stupid Lakeland. Who's got stuck in my car?
Sim, sweetie, bedtime. Snuggle up to your monkey. You like your monkey, don't you?
Can you tell him this is loitering?
Alright.
That works. He doesn't want to take it. Wow, that's cool.
Luca. Quem é que roeu isto? Quem foi? Hã? Quem foi? Julie. Ai. Ai, ai, ai. Quem foi que roeu isto?
On P1 side.
That's so cute. I can't cope.
Goed zo. Doe de deur ook weer dicht.
Check it then. Check it then.
Babe, it's the dogs. You didn't put the lock on the fridge. Oh, Bear, stop. Get out. Everybody out. Everybody out. What are you eating? Spinach? How'd you? Oh my God. Wow.
What are you doing, Bubby? Oh my! No, Charlie! No, Daddy said they licked their butthole.
Mr. Sandman.
Was that your impression of a cow?
What are we doing right now?
We think Ember swallowed Mom's diamond ring. Hang on. So I'm checking for the chip. There's
That's
the
her chip.
There's the ring.
Get it. Oh.
Looking good.
Oh, it's a new technique. Really gotta get in there for volume, you know?
Oh, Hazel!
What do you want? I can't go outside and play.
Did someone tell you you're going to puppy school today to become better behaved and you're rebelling even more? Where did you go? Okay. Frank, what you got there?
Dale un beso a la abuela. Buenas noches. Buenas noches a la abuelita.
Pepper, you want to go outside? You want to go out there? Or is it too cold? Oh, it's too cold. Yes.
Yeah, Joey said I needed to relax, so he gave me an antihistamine.
Is that a shoe and a purse? Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi. Can you drop it?
Can I have my shoe? Sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No. Sure.
High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have an achoo? Can you speak?
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué le pasa? Me cago en Dios.